How to create a Google Meet link for later. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily schedule a Google Meet link. First thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome application or any other web browser. And then from here, you're next going to have to access your calendar. You can see the Google Apps icon at the top right. Just click on it. And here you'll find your calendar option. Once you open up your calendar, you're going to have to create a new event. So simply go ahead and choose your date. And let's say if I want meeting for tomorrow, I'm just going to choose the next date here and then click on create. Now on this drop down, you have an appointment schedule, event, or task. You could choose any one of them. And then from here, what you're going to do is go ahead and create a new Meet link. Now, if you want to add a custom date or time, you can click on any one of the tabs that you see here. So just click on this right here. Add the title of your meeting. So let's just add test meeting. And then from here, you could choose your time. You could also add your time here as well. Let's do 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. And then you can also select your time zone. Once you select your time zone, click on OK. And here, click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Now it will show you the option Join with Google Meet. You could also copy this link from here and send it to other people. Now you could also add your location if you want, or if you want to pre-add guests, you could do that from here as well. Just add their email addresses and they will get the invitation link. Now click on Save, and you've gotten a meeting scheduled on this specific date and time. Now click on Invite via link, and you should be able to copy the link once the link has been created. Click on Copy Link, and you can send this to other people so that they can join your meeting. And that's how you create a Google Meet link for later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.